fresh case of alleged paper leak has emerged. This one is from Maharashtra. The teachers' eligibility test. This exam was supposed to take place on Sunday, that's tomorrow. But because of alleged paper leak, the exam has been postponed by Maharashtra government just one day before the examination over alleged leak. In the latest information that we are getting, action has been taken in Bhiwandi against a gang allegedly involved in leaking the teachers' TET examination paper. According to preliminary information, 3 persons were detained and a case is being registered at Kongaon police station in Bhiwandi. Police have reportedly recovered copy of test papers from these 3 suspects. Let's go across to my colleague Rucha joining us live right now for more on this. Rucha, more details have emerged. Give us the information that you have. What kind of action is being taken and what has been the recovery so far?
Well, this is extremely disappointing for lakhs of aspirants who were going to appear for the testing exam of the teachers tomorrow. And before that could be conducted, a paper leak was reported from Maharashtra's Bhiwandi area. Bhiwandi police had received some inputs that there was a paper leak, and when they followed the trail, they found that 3 men were behind this entire paper leak, and the 3 as of now are arrested. The Bhiwandi police is currently investigating the matter. A case has been registered in Kongaon police station, which is under Thane's Bhiwandi area. And this is very shocking that a second case of paper leak, which was reported from Maharashtra. In NEET also we saw that Nashik was the center of the entire leak controversy, and this is the second examination paper that has been leaked from Maharashtra. Now the examination council has also cross-checked with the copy that they received, which was alleged leaked paper, and they found that some of the questions exactly matched as with the paper that was to be conducted tomorrow. And this is a big examination for Maharashtra aspirants because lakhs of students appear for this exam, and there are about 1028 centers across Maharashtra where the exam was planned to be conducted tomorrow. But now, after learning about the paper leak and while the investigation is underway, the Maharashtra Examination Council has also taken a precautionary measure by cancelling the exam. It is being welcomed by several students because once the exam was conducted, and if it happened in NEET, later if people had found out about the leak, that could have started another controversy. But before even the exam could be conducted, it is now prevented, and with the success of Bhiwandi police, now the investigation is underway. 3 people as of now have been...
leak can't be prevented. I mean, this is a lot of inconvenience to the applicants as well. Those who were supposed to appear for the examination tomorrow, suddenly just imagine 24 hours before the exam, they are being told that the exam has been postponed because allegedly the paper has been leaked. I mean, that is the reason why even the opposition is raising questions. Rucha, I request you to stay on with us. AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi has also reacted on the issue of the Maharashtra TET paper leak. Owaisi, in fact, has put out a post on social media platform X saying, and I'm quoting him here, "What a mess. BJP-led Maharashtra government expertise in wrongful arresting Indian Bengali Muslims as Bangladeshi has not translated into stopping TET paper leak. Who will be blamed for this paper leak? It is the incompetence of the government which has put thousands of people at hardship." So this is the attack there coming in from AIMIM Chief Asaduddin Owaisi. He's put out this post on social media platform X that you can see on your screens right now. And we have another important update that we are getting right now. Congress party has also reacted on this particular issue. Congress leader Vijay Wadetiwar has also questioned repeated incidents of paper leak and has said that the government must take responsibility, ensure a thorough investigation and put in place stronger safeguards to prevent such incidents from occurring again. Listen.
बच्चों में बड़ी आज थाने में टीटी का पेपर फूटने से फिर एक बार बच्चों में बड़ी निराशा निर्माण हुई है। ये जो बच्चे कोई भी एग्जाम के लिए दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं, उनके पेरेंट्स दिन रात उनको साथ देते हैं, और ये सब होने के बाद जब एग्जाम सेंटर पे जाने के बाद ये पेपर लीक होने की घटनाएं सामने आती है तो हमें शर्म करनी चाहिए, शर्म आनी चाहिए। ये सरकार की नाकामयाबी है। ठीक ढंग से एग्जाम भी नहीं ले सकते। अभी अगर तुमको ठीक ढंग से एग्जाम भी लेना नहीं आता है तो सरकार करके उस कुर्सी पर बैठने का अधिकार ये सरकार के पास है क्या? इसका भी चिंतन सरकार में करना चाहिए।
More breaking inputs coming in as far as the story is concerned. Now we have a reaction from Sena, the Uddhav Thackeray faction. This reaction, in fact, is from Ambadas Danve, the UBT leader who has hit out at Maharashtra government, saying that they did not learn any lesson. And UBT leader has also said that they are going to raise this particular issue in the assembly, in Maharashtra assembly on Monday. Listen in.
बिलकुल हे अधिवेशनात हा प्रश्न उपस्थित होईल। आज शनिवार आहे, सोमवारी अधिवेशन असेल। या अधिवेशनात हा प्रश्न बिलकुल आम्ही उपस्थित करू, सरकारला याचा जवाब मागू।
राजीनामा मागणी
बिलकुल हे अधिवेशनात हा प्रश्न उपस्थित होईल। आज शनिवार आहे, सोमवारी अधिवेशन असेल। या अधिवेशनात हा प्रश्न बिलकुल आम्ही उपस्थित करू, सरकारला